It's never too late. Yeah, we need your support and it's time to act now. In the light of recent events related to recruitment of Short Service Commission at Army Dental Corps 2022, as you know, among 30 vacancies that were available, 27 were reserved for men and only 3 for women, which is a clear-cut case of gender discrimination. And also it's a clear-cut violation of Articles 15 and 16 of Constitution of India. So, keeping these aspects in mind, we have written letters to Prime Minister's office 3 months ago, and also we have initiated a petition, online petition at change.org, and we got some response, but that was not to actually bring about an actual change in the society. Luckily, as they say, universe conspires in your favor if you're determined to do something good. If your intentions are pure. Couple of weeks prior, one of my lawyer friends from Punjab and Haryana, who is an advocate in the High Court over there, has contacted me and he said, like, Naveen, if we can work together, like if we can bring some aspirants onto the platform and if we make them file a petition, at least we can expect some positive change. And in response to that, thanks to him, in response to that, I spoke to some of the aspirants, and even though they were hesitant initially to file a petition, one of the aspirants took up the initiative and filed a writ petition in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. And to my surprise, yesterday there was a judgment, interim order from the High Court directing the union government to provisionally call the aspirant for interview process. And also the High Court has clearly stated that the results of this interview process towards Short Service Commission post at ADC 2022 are subject to the outcome of this writ petition filed by the aspirant. You can find complete details in the description part of the video. Do not trust what I say. See the facts for yourself. So my request to all of you is, especially to the affected parties, no matter which place you're from, please file petitions in respect to High Courts or even Supreme Court of India, and you'll definitely get justice legally. You'll have complete support from our side. We have a great team who made this possible, and also I sincerely thank the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana for giving this kind of judgment, which is definitely a boost for all the female aspirants aspiring for ADC. I would like to personally thank my lawyer friend, their team, and also the aspirant for taking up this initiative. I will not reveal any of the names, but when the time comes, I'll definitely give out all the names. And thank you guys for making this possible and for giving that hope that whenever there is some injustice happening in the country, that we have a wonderful platform in the form of law, in the form of courts. So if you have any further queries, you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com 24/7, or you can even personally WhatsApp me at 9052674820. Justice prevailed ultimately. Wish you all the best. Love you all. Take care.